Hello everyone and welcome back to Financial Success, where we want you to become financially free. And in today's video we are going to be going over how you can start a Faceless YouTube channel. I'm going to be going over what it is, how you can do it, and the potentials of you making money for it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. And remember, if you like this video, smash like on the like button below, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to know when my next video is live. And we will show you how to start your own Faceless YouTube channel step by step. Now, in case you don't know already, this channel, specifically Financial Success, for one you're watching right now, is a Faceless YouTube channel with shorts and regular videos up to 10 minutes long. And pretty much what I do, as well as my team, we make short videos and longer form videos. Shorts are initially to get views and subscribers, and currently videos are to get more watch time. And currently our goal is to hit the YouTube partner program, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours with 0 community strikes. We've gotten 7 subscribers so far and 1 public watch hour, so that is a good start. So here are 3 prime examples of what a Faceless YouTube channel is. We got Brightside, we got Mr. Luxury, and we got Tech Zone. So Brightside is pretty much making videos about how to improve yourself, self-improvement, those types of videos. And what you can actually do is make luxury videos as well, regarding like Jeff Bezos, mega mansions, gold, Elon Musk, Porsches, cool cars, cool planes, and cool islands, whole bunch of different things. And then if we got another one which is called Tech Zone, which is about tech and all that sort of stuff, cool inventions that will upgrade your garden, impressive technologies for safer roads, and you get the point. It's a whole bunch of different tech videos. So the way these people would be actually making money is mainly through YouTube ads, and the way we can check this out is if we actually copy their unique name and we go to a site called Social Blade. And as we can see, Brightside is currently making all the way to $607,000 a month and $7.3 million a month, which is absolutely crazy. They're making several videos a day with them and their team, and that's over 4,000 uploads with 41 million subscribers, over 8 billion views, which is insane. And the channel's only been out for a handful of years. And if we also look at Mr. Luxury, so we just copy the URL, come back, and we look at Mr. Luxury. They have 236 videos, 632,000 subscribers, 109 million views. This channel started a little less than 3 years ago, and as you can see, they're currently making up to 7.9 grand every single month and $94,000 every single year, which is insane. They're getting 7,000 subscribers approximately every 30 days and over 1 million views every 30 days. And last but not least, if we look at Tech Zone and we copy their URL, if we look at Tech Zone, we can see that they have 889 uploads, 3.18 million subscribers, 773 million views, and they're making up to $498,000 every single month and $597,000 every single year. And if you scroll down their analytics, we can also see that they're making approximately 20,000 subscribers every single month and nearly 10 million views every single month, and once again making up to $50,000 every single month. And as you can see, they are pretty stable, which is good. Their subscribers are dipping, but you know, if they can pick that up eventually in the future. So as you can see, from monetizing these different Faceless YouTube channels, they are making insane money from YouTube ad revenue. Also, what they can be doing is they can be doing sponsored deals as well as affiliate marketing. If we look on a Faceless YouTube channel called Lux Your Life, new luxury videos every single day, and we come to one of the videos called 15 Lies Entrepreneurs Tell You, which is kind of cliche because I am a entrepreneur, runner, and owner of this channel. If you look down into their description, we can see that they have a look at our premium courses, so we can see that they're selling some type of course that could be. And as you can see, Goal Mastery, Mind Mastery, and Bitcoin Essentials, and they have 46 lessons, 45 lessons, and 49 lessons. And they actually get money out of this, as well as if you got possibly a sponsorship here, which is get a free audiobook thanks to Audible. And if we open this, as you can see, the URL is www.alux.com/freebook. So here's another video from alux.com. We can also see 15 most valuable books you can read for free. And if we scroll down, we can see books and Les Miserables by Victor Hugo, etc. If we actually go and look at these links, if we open this one, Lewis Carroll Alice's Adventure in Wonderland, and we see this Amazon link, if we open it, what we can actually see is that it is a affiliate link, because if we look up top, right, we can see that they actually have a link code, which is up here. Link code equals SL1 and tag equals ALUX, and ALUX is the YouTube channel. So anyone that actually buys this book and actually gets it on a Kindle or an audiobook or a hardcover paperback or gets a mass market paperback, they actually get commission. As well as if we look at any other links, as we can see, they have another hyperlink, and once again this is also a affiliate code, as we can see from the top. So link code ALUX, and you get the idea by now. If we open up another link of many looks, and they won't get a commission out of this as it's a free book. However, they can definitely be making money on the back end with Amazon associated affiliate links, as well as they can make additional money during their core sales of Mind Mastery, Bitcoin Essentials, Goal Mastery, Learning Mastery, and get a free audiobook from Audible. Unfortunately, their link does not work if you open it. However, for when they do actually fix their hyperlink, they will get a commission every time someone signs up to Audible via their link, and they are getting millions and millions of views every single month. So definitely people will be signing up to Audible through their affiliate link. So how do you actually start a faceless YouTube channel? What I personally do is I use a program called OBS, which is this program right here, to capture all my footage. And as you can see, we are currently recording along the side. If I just move, as we can see, I'm currently recording, and this is my current voice right here, as the microphone speaker goes up and down when I talk, and when I don't talk it goes down, and when I talk it goes back up. So it's currently recording my voice. And what I also do is I use a software called Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere, what I actually do is I use stock footage. So if we mute this, and as we can see, if we click play on our keyboard, you can see that these are just stock images that have gone from Pexels specifically, and they just run about every 3 to 5 seconds, and as you can see, they are for the whole duration of a video. And down here in the green is actually the audio by my voiceover artist besides myself, who is running through a script which my script writer does for me, or I do for them if I have time. And what I do is I send my audio guy a script and I have them produce a video for me, while I take the audio track that they send me, I put it into Adobe Premiere, and I correlate the stock footage with what is being said into the videos. So Pexels is what I highly recommend for beginners if you do want to get into making a faceless YouTube channel, and it's 100% free. So Pexels is a stock footage platform where you can just as easily get and create different types of stock images, such as credit cards, money, which is good because this is a make money channel. But if you're doing anything like cars, you can just type in cars and it can come up with different types of cars and people posing for cars. As you can see, we got a Mercedes there, we got a Dodge here, we got a Rolls Royce, we got an Audi, we got a Dodge Challenger. Or if you're doing something like pets, for example, you can also do things like dogs, cats, etc. Then what you can also do if you're doing stuff in the luxury niche, I spelled that wrong, lux, we can say luxury, and as you can see, we got amazing stock images of really nice places to stay, nice views, nice watches, yachts, amazing infinity pools, mansions, cars, someone posing off a yacht, someone in a nice suit, and you can definitely make some good videos with the luxury niche. So what I will normally do for financial success is I would look for a specific video within my niche. So what I would do, for example, is I would open up YouTube. So let's say, for example, I want to make a video on YouTube and how to make money from YouTube. So how to make money on YouTube without showing your face or making videos, for example. So if I want to actually make a video about this, I don't watch the video, I just skim through it, and what I actually do is I see different titles, I see different descriptions, and I would skim through the video. So for example, if we open up this one, I won't actually watch the video. However, what I will do is I will read the description, I will read the comments about what it's about, so I don't end up copying this video. And what I will then start doing is either I will write a script within Notion, or I will come to Upwork and I will look for a script writer, and I can choose from any one of these people, or I can make a job post myself. And after I've gotten my script, what I do is I save it into my Google Drive, and then after my script, what I will do is I will get a voiceover artist. So voice artist, I will actually contact these people and see if they can do the job for me, and if they can, I will send them my script from my script writer or myself in a PDF or a Word document, so they can change it to how they like depending on what style of voiceover they do. And they can do that and send me the audio file, which if we go back to Adobe Premiere, this is actually my audio file from my voiceover artist. And then what I do after that is you can either get an editor or do it yourself. So on Upwork, if we just say, and you can scroll down and see who you actually want to hire for different prices, $15 an hour, $25 an hour, $10 an hour, or you can make your own job post, or you can make the videos yourself, as I have done with all of my videos so far on financial success. You can just grab different stock images and put them together within Adobe Premiere or your video editor of your choice. You got multiple versions, you got Camtasia, you got Sony Vegas, you got Adobe Premiere, iMovie, etc. And after this is all done, what I do is I come to my YouTube channel and I would just simply say create, and I will find the video that I want. So this is the video I want. I just upload it and optimize it. And the way you optimize the video is if we come to that exact same video, which one is it? Here it is. And what you want to do is you want to add a good title, good description with your title in it, as well as a description of the video with key words in it. And what you can also do is you can add some backlinks to other videos of yours, as well as affiliate links to different types of websites or Amazon. And what you can also do is create a custom thumbnail or have a thumbnail artist do it for you. And to make thumbnails, it's very, very easy. I just use Canva for mine. And if we go into create a design up top and type in YouTube, and we can do YouTube thumbnail, it gives you a nice and easy template, and you can pretty much work with it however you want to. It's super simple to do. And that is how I made that current thumbnail, and which is this one right here. So I just added a yellow background, added a stock footage from Canva of old people, and then I just added some text, and that was easily done. When I went to download, then I just clicked download. Then what I did was I just uploaded it directly to YouTube. And after you've done that, you can add it to your playlist. You can say not made for kids. And you may be asked if you want to allow automated chapters. I would recommend that you do leave this on, as it does help with the video. And with tags, you can just add in keywords about what the video is about, what your channel is about, and your title of your video, as well as the name of your actual channel. And if your video is in English, set it to English. Don't bother about setting a recording date nor a video location, and just standard license. And short sampling, people allow people to sample this content, you want to always check no, so automatically it will be on. You want to check this off, and whatever category your videos are in, just select your category. So mine is education, so I will select education. And you can add a couple cards easily, so you can click on it, open it. I haven't added a card to this, so this is a perfect example. So within the last couple of minutes you can actually add a card. So if I just say click on playlist, and let's say I want to say all financial success videos, and if we let this run, it will pop up in just a moment in the top right hand corner. And as you can see, there it is right there. So after that's done, just click on save. And what you also want to add is a end screen. So this is a custom made end screen for me. I have currently changed, as you will see at the end of this video. And what I do is I simply drag and drop a subscribe button, a recent upload, and a best video for a viewer. And if you don't know how to do this, I would delete this, and delete this. So if you want to actually make a element, you just say plus element, and you want to say subscribe button. It will pop up. Drag it to wherever you want it to be. If you want to add another element, that's cool. So you want to say video, for example, let's say best for viewer, and you want to drag it out to cover borders. And what you want to do is in your timeline, you want to find where your end screen is. So mine's here. So I will drag the subscribe button all the way to that point, and the other video all the way to that point as well. Then I will also add one more video. So I will say, let's say most recent upload, let's say video and best for viewer, and drag this out, reposition, drag it out again, and that's pretty much how you make an end screen. So I'm not going to use this because I've already customized it to how I like it, so I'm just going to discard changes. But if you guys found this video helpful, I would highly appreciate it if you smash like on this video if you have not already, as well as subscribe to the channel. And if you don't want to miss any more videos from Financial Success, we want you to become financially free. Remember to tap the notification bell when you subscribe to the channel, and click on the screen to watch another video from Financial Success, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.